Hi everyone! So I was playing around with the Kokorosa dies that they had sent me and I had some difficulties. So I wanted to share. And I wanted to share because I wanted to let you guys know it's okay if things do not go as you had planned. It just means that you got to come up with a backup plan. So I'm going to show you guys what happened here. I love the layering that I did, but here is the die set right here. And in my card, my centerpiece cut completely out. So from the picture, I thought it was going to be like a little swinging mechanism right here. I didn't expect the whole thing to come out. So I don't know. I don't know what happened here. So I need to figure out a way how to kind of reattach it because I did want it to be, I thought it was going to be something like this, where it was like still attached somehow. So I got to figure it out because I don't like how that looks. I feel like it's definitely missing this piece. So if you guys have this die or have any suggestions on how to fix this, please let me know down below. So I didn't do anything on this side yet. I was wondering, like, do I need to like washi tape it right here or something and then add some panels in the background to just kind of like disguise it? I don't know. So if you guys can think of something, let me know. But it's really cute. Like, I like how it looks. I don't know. I thought this would be attached. So maybe I need to washi it right. Oh, sorry. Maybe I need to washi it right here. And then just back it. I don't know. Okay, so there's that one. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Then I cut out the gold little birdie right here. I love all the little like fine details to it. I think it came out really, really cute. And then here was my other mistake. And then, I did do these. So let me show you my other So what happened with this one was I cut it out in gold. I layered it. I'm like, that looks beautiful. This is going to be such a great card. And then in my mind, I thought it like zigzagged like this. So how did I think that it zigzagged like that? I don't know. Because I'm like, okay, there's something wrong here. This doesn't look right. So then I went to the stock video on their website and it goes this way. Oh my gosh, so I still did it wrong because this should be, like over here. I should have done it in, a double-sided paper. So I wanted to show you guys my mistake. So I personally would do this in like a double-sided paper. Here, I'll show you a scrap, like something like this. Where it's one color all the way around, I think would look so much better. So yeah, this was another that I did not do a great job on. Now, is this trash? Definitely not. This can be salvaged and turned into a new card. So I am going to show you guys. I am going to bring out my paper trimmer here. And I am just going to go ahead and line this up so I could go ahead and cut it. And I'm going to line that up so I can make a nice little cut. Oh, my little blade is dirty there. Okay, let me realign this up. Where does it cut? Oh, over here. Okay, so we're going to cut this piece off right there. Then we're going to do this next piece right here. So now we got those cut up so we can make new cards. So this is already like a card base right here. Like, not a card base, like, the layering piece. So I just need to make the card base. And then with these, this could be like another little slim one. Or what I was thinking was I could go ahead and layer it like this also. And then maybe make like a little flap right here to have this be another card. So I'll show you. This is just some scrap paper I have. So I would figure out my measurements and then cut it down. So if I fold this in half, this would be just a little too long. So let me get my paper trimmer back out. This is what, 3 3/4. So if we double that is how much? Let me do math. Okay, so if this is 3 3/4, I want to have it be a little bit larger for my card base. So I'm going to go to 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. So I'm going to cut at 8 right there. Okay, that's nice and lined up. We're going to cut that. There's my extra. Then I am going to score at 4, because that would be my halfway point. So score at 4, right? There we go, and it gives my little edge. Okay, and then now I still need to cut up top here. So this is 5 1/4, so I'm gonna go to 5 1/2 and then cut. Right? What did I say this was? Yeah, 5 1/4. I'm gonna go to 5 1/2. Let's cut this down. There we go. I should have cut it before I folded it. Whoopsie, but it's okay. Like I said, we are just going on the fly here. So then now I have my new card base. I need to trim that a little bit better. But now I have my new card that I could just go ahead and glue this down. So yeah, I took my little oopsie card and now I just made a layering piece for another card right here. I actually like it with that green. That green was just a scrap paper that I have. I actually like how that really looks. So there you go. That's how we're going to fix our little oopsie and make it into something else. So then I have one more card to show you guys. That is a little layering Christmas card. And then I'll come back with another video and show you the proper way those are supposed to be done. Except for that first card, I couldn't figure it out. So with this one, there's 4 little layering dies in there. So with this one right here, I used just a little background blue and then I layered it up in this blue-white glitter. I think that came out really cute, just how it is, just like that. And it still comes out a little bit thick because my glitter is pretty thick cardstock. I don't know if you can tell right there. So I still think it came out cute. You can definitely do the layers in different colors. It might be hard to see on camera, but I do have all the pieces right here. So there's this top piece that has just the snowflake and the tree. Then there is the part that has the moon. There is the part that has the little houses. And then there is the background piece with all the little stars. Like I said, this was really thick glitter and it cut through. I had no problem. I was kind of worried after that. I was like, oh no, did I pick the wrong kind of cardstock to use? But it actually came out really nice. I didn't have a problem at all. So I did want to put these up on Pop Dots and see how thick does it come out and does it look any better. So let's do that here. I should have got like my strip of little Pop Dots, but we'll just do just the corners. And we'll see how this comes out. Okay, I keep going off screen. I am so sorry, guys. So we're going to do this layered piece. And then we're going to take off the backing here. This is why my pokey tool is so handy to get off all that little backing there. Let's do this first one together, then I think I'm going to do the rest off camera because this might take too long. But let's see how this looks. Do I want to go ahead and keep going and layering all the other pieces. So you just want to get them, make sure you line them up nicely. That does give it a little bit more depth and dimension than how it looked flat, but then it's gonna make my card super thick. I put my moon on wrong. You see my moon's up here, and then now I did it like over here. That's okay. Okay, let me do the rest. Okay, so here is my 3D card. She is real thick, but I love it. You can just see everything so much better with it, with just a little bit of pop dots in the corners. I love it. I thought this one was really cute, but this one just brings it to a whole nother level. So if you don't mind it being thick, I would definitely layer it. Maybe I need to do this one again in different colored paper. And then maybe it will just pop and then I can still keep it flat like this one. I don't know. So I think I need to play with this one again and try it again. But yes, I am obsessed with how dimensional and how pretty it came out. So that's our little video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will come back with another video where I do this card correctly and we will play with the stamp and the bird die. All right, we'll see you later. Bye guys.